Hi Reta.
Hi Adele.
I want to ask about the simple past tense material. Can you explain?
Oh, okay, please go ahead.
Actually, what is simple past tense?
Simple past tense is a sentence that is used to tell about event that happened in the past and finished or ended in the past as well. So, the past tense is used when you are telling a story in the present about past activities.
If we want to understand the material, what are the characteristics of the simple past tense?
The first is in the simple past tense, the verb used is always the second form to indicate activities that happened in the past or used to be was or were. Then the simple past tense use past time signals such as last night, yesterday, etc. And the simple past tense use regular and irregular verbs. Then the simple past tense has a formula, namely the first nominal simple past tense. In nominal sentence, the predicate part will be followed by to be, was, or were, as the past form to be is equivalent to em and are from the simple present tense. For positive tense, subject plus to be, was, or were, plus complement. Example, I was a teacher. We were a doctor. Negative tense subject plus to be, was, or were, plus not plus complement. Example, they were not a bad kid. Interrogative tense to be, was, or were, plus subject plus complement. Example, were they happy to work hard? Then verbal simple past tense. Verb in tenses consists of three forms, namely verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. In this case, as a simple past tense sentence, the verb 2 or the second verb will fill the predicate position. That is, this verb is no longer the basic one, as has changed its form because it is influenced by time or past. For positive tense subject plus verb to plus complement. Example, the nurse went to the hospital yesterday. Negative tense subject plus that plus not plus verb 1. Example, the nurse didn't go to the hospital yesterday. Interrogative tense did plus subject plus verb 1. Example, did the nurse go to the hospital yesterday? Do you understand?
Okay, I ready. Then what is the purpose of this simple past tense?
Okay, the purpose of the simple past tense is that describes activities that used to be done in the past. For example, when I was in senior high school, I went to school at 7 a.m. Describes event in the past and have been completed at the time. For example, I was sick 2 days ago. Describes event in the past at a definite time. For example, she hit her boyfriend last night. Describe feeling or emotion that occurred in the past. For example, Anita was happy to see his girlfriend. Is there anything else you want to explain?
No, I already understand. Thank you, Reta.
Do you understand the simple present tense material?
Got it. Why is it so bad?
May I ask about the simple present tense?
Sure, Red.
What is the simple present tense, Del?
So, simple means there was an incident. Well, if it is present, it means now. In essence, the simple present tense is a sentence with a pattern of verb form that express events that are taking place in the present.
Do you think the simple present tense is complicated?
As for the name, the formula for this tense is not too complicated. The reason is we often use this tense in everyday life to express facts and events that are usually done.
How about the formula for the simple present tense?
Positive tense, subject plus verb 1 SRES plus subject. Negative tense, subject plus do or did does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative tense, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus.
Then please give me an example for using the simple present tense.
Positive tense, she goes to the office every day. Negative tense, she does not go to the office every day. Interrogative tense, does she go to office every day?
Then how about the use of S or ES is the simple present tense?
Verb with subject he, she, it, must, and in s.
Finally, I understand. Thank you, Del.
You're welcome, Red.